Hey guys, it's Asheli from Editor Reviews, and today we are unboxing Sleek Treat. This is a monthly low-carb subscription box. Each box contains 5 to 7 artisanal items, hand-selected by Sleek Treat for the way they taste. This is great because it takes away that guessing game when you go out and find something that doesn't have sugar in it, and then you try it and you're like, this tastes really bad. They're $34.99 monthly. You do have the option to get them cold shipped for an extra $5, so it's $39.99. I don't know what's in here. This is their August back to school themed box. Now, they do have a late shipping date. So they ship the box and it'll arrive right around the end of the month, maybe the beginning of the month. So the theme is always for like the next month. It's an interesting way, but trust me, that's I'm not lying. All right. So we have our card. They're always really detailed in how they describe the items. They'll tell you the sugar alternative that was used and all of that stuff as well, which I think is really neat. So here we have, I can see already that there's some fat snacks in here. I like those. There's 2. Fat snacks are like made with pea protein, I think. Low carb, sugar free, and keto. These are the lemony lemons. Oh, we have had their peanut butter, the chocolate chip, all that stuff. And I looked on their website and I was like, lemony lemon? I want a lemony lemon. They sent 2. I'm so pumped. So they use in this, the sweetener alternative is non-GMO with erythritol, xylitol, and stevia. Those are so good, just so you know. All right, these are sencha. I've had these before. Green tea mints. These are yuzu ginger, and there are approximately 40 mints in here. I'm pretty sure this company uses stevia. Yes, sweetener, sorbitol and stevia leaf extract. These are great. This kind of stuff, this box always sends that, and I love it because I keep it in my car. I have this need to like, have like candy while I'm driving. I don't know why. It's terrible. I probably shouldn't, but this is a good alternative, right? All right. Ooh, these are Shrewd Food. Okay, so these are high protein, like little snacks. They're carb free and they taste amazing. We got one in this box a while ago, but I don't remember the flavor. It wasn't this. It was like pizza, I want to say. Pizza. These are baked cheddar. Imagine, what do they taste like? They're not like, cheese balls have like a really buttery. This is not like that. It's more savory. Oh, so good. And obviously they don't use sugar because they don't need to. Less than 1 gram of sugar. All right. Nush banana nut cake. 2 net grams of carbs, 1 gram of sugar, 2.1 ounces. This is a new to me brand. Never heard of them. It looks like they're using erythritol and monk fruit, which I love monk fruit. I think it's very natural tasting. It tastes very similar to sugar. And then they do have a coupon code for Sleek Treat subscribers for Nush products, as well as the Sencha, which is the company that made the mints. Very cool. Good to know. All right. Next, we have the Detour bar. This is the dark chocolate sea salt almond. These are really good. I had one of these last box I got from them. I think it was last box, and it was good. It tasted not like it was an all sugar alternative bar. All right, so this is the caramel peanut whey protein, and they do use stevia. These are good. All right, finally, this is my favorite new company, by the way, Stoka. So, they make like these bars that are ketogenic. And they're really, really good. The one we got last time was so good. It's also paleo and low glycemic if you're doing paleo. I'm actually doing paleo right now with a friend of mine, also a neighbor. We're doing 24-day paleo. So I can eat this. Hi! This is the vanilla almond bar. It has 4 grams of net carbs, gluten-free, no sugar added, no artificial ingredients. So that is everything that I received. Did I say what they use as a sugar alternative? Erythritol and stevia leaf extract in that Stoka bar. Those are really good. They have like a more of like a granola-y consistency, I want to say. Something like that. If you're interested in the full review, I will link to that below. I will also link to Sleek Treat with my affiliate link. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.